like practice. Snap there.
Snap there, Jairo.
Yeah.
Hey, let's get heavy on that head.
God, good. Up the back.
Crawl up the back, crawl up the back. Nice.
Stay behind. Break him down flat first.
Just like
Take your time
practice.
here.
Spiral right. Hey, cut him.
Hey,
Cut him.
cut
Hey,
him.
cut
Hey,
him.
Jairo,
Cut him.
cut him. Cut him.
Now start. Do it again. Snap.
Snap that
Snap.
head. Heavy on that head,
Snap
Jairo.
there. Snap there.
Hey, next somebody does that, shoot in.
There you go.
Hey, club and go.
Snap him there. Good snap. He's leading. He's leading. Snap. There.
And then shot. Fake shot.
Hey, capitalize on that. Stay on that head.
10 seconds, get wide.
Hey, snap it. You can also fake shots to go for it. Snap.
Short time, Jairo.
Touch and go. Touch and go.
Touch and go.
Fake a tie up.
Go. Change over, go.
There.
Change over, go.
Hey, Jairo. Jairo. Go. No, he should ask.
Hey, you gotta go after him, let's go.
No, we do. Fake and go. Fake and, yeah.
There we go.
There's your reshots. Use that. Use that to set them up. Use that. And then there it is.
Go.
Use that
Got it
fake.
once. You can get it
Use the
again.
fakes to set them up.
Head position. Get off your hip. Get off your hip.
Right there, right there.
Get to your belly. Get to your
Get your
belly.
belly. Hey, get your arm free. Arm free. Arm
Use
free.
your legs.
Hey, get the arm free body.
Right there, squeeze.
That was a good motion from him.
He needed to pull the trigger on the shot.
Yeah.
That first shot he got was perfect.
We got more. We need more. This is more. I think this is his first tournament.